If you've seen the RetroGamer Pro Series 3 popping up all over your feed and wondered, is this thing actually legit or just another flashy online trap? You're definitely not alone, and that's exactly why we decided to dig into it. The handheld looks cool on the surface with its 3.5-inch display, bold claims of thousands of retro titles, smooth performance, and long battery life. But the deeper we went, the more mixed things became. There were no verified reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or any reliable gaming community, which instantly raised eyebrows, especially since the official site confidently shows a 4.7-star rating that doesn't seem to come from any real customers. The constant limited time offer, countdown timers, and aggressive discount pop-ups also made the whole buying experience feel more like pressure than value. Even stranger, several of the product photos appear on multiple unrelated websites, suggesting they might not actually belong to PowerFlex tech at all. And then comes the boldest claim, that the device includes classics like Pikmin, Mario, and even GTA already preloaded, something that isn't legally possible for any company without licensing agreements. And no such agreements exist here. Still, the device isn't necessarily a scam. It could just be another generic emulator rebranded and hyped for quick sales, meaning it might work fine for casual nostalgia, but probably won't deliver the premium experience the marketing suggests. So, if you're thinking about buying the RetroGamer Pro Series 3, go in with realistic expectations, consider the red flags, and decide whether the risk matches what you're willing to spend, because right now, this console sits in that gray area between interesting gadget and maybe think twice.